Pinterest updates make it easy for users to make money online with just some affiliate links in 2024. In this video, I will show you how I made over $2,000 in Pinterest by doing this method. Be sure to write down the step-by-step tutorial on how to make money from Pinterest and watch this video carefully several times. In the first step, you have to pick a niche to start creating pins in Pinterest. You can use different data generator like Google Trends or Pinterest Trends to find your niche, but I make it easy for you. Make money niche and fashion niche are the best niches to work. People are very interested in buying from fashion links and use these links regularly. And on the other hand, the make money niche commission is extremely high. Now that you choose your niche, time to find affiliate links. As I said before, Pick.co is one of the user-friendly websites to pick the links. But I can also recommend it. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact.com to find relevant links. In this video, I will explain step by step how to find affiliate links from ClickBank, which is one of the most popular websites for affiliate links. Click on sign up and enter your email and phone number. After creating an account, pick a nickname and enter all of the data about your street and city. Then, is the left side of the website, you can see Affiliate Marketplace. Click on this icon. Here you can see top, new, and saved offers. For example, I choose top offers to see the best affiliate link offers from ClickBank website. There are thousands of links, each of which is given a complete description. Average dollar per conversion is available on the right side, and you can promote your related links based on your niche. Click on a promote and it will generate a link for your affiliate marketing. Now let's create your Pinterest account. In the description box, you can see the links of 50 best free Pinterest tools for 2024. Be sure to create a business account in Pinterest. Set your profile, choose a name for your account. Use namelinks.com to pick a name. For profile picture and banner, you can use Canva. For posts, I recommended you to create unique posts. If you want to share video, download a video from TikTok or Instagram. Edit it in CapCut and add some title and make it unique by yourself. If you want to share photos as a pin, you can generate a photo by AI. I explained the way you can generate any photo you want with Focus Collab in my last video, so you can click and watch them later. If you want to use other people's photos, try to edit them in Canva. To personalize it, in Canva, click on a Create Design, search for Pinterest pins. Now here you can see many templates to create your own pins. Be aware to find the links first. Based on links, create your pins. Click on Share and now you can upload it as a pin. Go to Pinterest. Click on a Create a Pin, add a title and description. Try your best to write the best title and description to get views from Google search and Pinterest search. You can use AI. It will help you to generate better title and description. In destination link, add your affiliate link. Upload at least 2 to 5 pins per day. In this strategy, you will upload about 13 pins per week, which help you to grow as fast as possible in Pinterest. In Focus Collab, you can also generate great photos. Just write the prompt you want, and after a while, unique images will be generated. You can see the step-by-step course of how to make amazing pictures using this image generator. So try to make your Pinterest account. Upload pins and you will be in the money-making journey without any followers. Your goal is to get impression and click rate, which means you attract audience to your pins. Every purchase from the affiliate links make money for you. See these users who are making money from pins in different ways. Some of them have verified account and promote their website and get some traffic from Pinterest to sell their product, increase their blog engagement, or the number of views on their other social media platform like YouTube. Others promote affiliate links and make thousands of dollars per month. Now that you learned how to start Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2024, start your business today and comment below your updates for me every week. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video and ask any question you have. In the previous video, I explained the best way to create unique AI-generated pins step by step. Click here to watch it. Thanks for watching and I will be back soon.